Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Zama. I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the first method and the second method of needle and yarn cornrows, or needle and wool cornrows. So just stay tuned guys. As you can see, that's our first method. I guess and I believe this one is the easiest one, especially for beginners. It's very easy to do. As you can see, it's very neat, looks nice, looks perfect. So if you prefer this one, go for this one. And then that's our second method. As you can see, it's very neat, nice, beautiful. If you prefer that one, go for it. So just stay tuned guys, watch my video till the end so that you see what I'm going to do to achieve these two. So as you can see, they are different, they don't look the same, but anyway, I'm going to show you how to achieve these two. So let's get to the stitching process. But make sure you must have your gel, any gel of your choice. Why am I saying that? That gel will make your lines to look neat. It will make your parts to be very clean. Your sections will look neat and very nice. And then you must have your needle and your wool or your yarn. So let's get to the video. No, before I get to the video guys, I just want to welcome those who are new to the family, those who are here for the very first time. I just want to say guys, welcome to the family, welcome to my channel. Feel free at home. I hope you stay, I hope you enjoy, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And if you prefer or if you like, just leave a comment in the comment section. It will really make me happy and I will really appreciate. And then to all those my day one, the ones who have been watching my videos since day one, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you so much for your support, for showing your girls some love, for showing your girls some support. It really means a lot to me. So let's get to the video guys. Let me not talk too much. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing to achieve that second method of needle and yarn cornrows. So this one, the main thing that you must do, you insert your needle in the center. Your line must have a sort of a center portion where you'll be inserting your needle from the inside going out. Inside, as you can see, I'm going out. Then you pull. Then from inside, you go outside. And then you pull. And then one thing that I want to add again, when you're doing your client or when you're doing someone, as you can see here, that's the middle section that I'm talking about. So make sure your needle will be just targeting that center point here, so that it will look nice, it will look neat. I hope it makes sense. Tip number one, don't rush, take your time. Take your time, don't rush it, just take your time. I promise at the end of the day, you'll be very happy with the outcome of your hairstyle. Why am I saying take your time? I'm saying take your time so that even your sections will look neat, you will look nice, beautiful, perfect. And don't mind this ugly doll of mine, don't mind this ugly hair. I promise if you are doing your client or your customer, it will look nicer and more beautiful. Here guys, it's just a tutorial, but if you are doing your customer or your client, you'll be very happy with the outcome. I promise, don't mind this ugly hair. So just take your time and make sure your wool is not that too long, because if it's too long it will give you stress. Just make it normal, long. Yeah. That's our first method. Remember, I told you is the easiest one to do. As you can see, guys, it's very easy. This one is better than the first one. It's easier than the first one. As you can see, you just insert your needle and then you create that loop. You insert your needle, you pull kanjalo kanjalo. So yeah, just stay tuned, guys. It's better you see than for me to be speaking. Yeah, it's better to watch and see what I'm doing than for me to be making noise for you. So yeah, let's get to the video. Okay, guys, we are done. So let me know in the comment section with you, which one do you prefer, which one do you think is the easiest one between the two. You prefer the first method or you prefer the second method? So just let me know in the comment section, guys. What do you think? What do you say? So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys for staying tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped someone. So make sure, don't forget, you must have your needle and you must have your gel. Thank you. Bye.